Hey guys, here is a Casablanca Ventura ceiling fan in white and brass. This fan is a gallery edition model with 50-inch blades and a KG2E light kit. And I picked this fan up on Facebook Dumpster Place yesterday actually. It was pretty cheap, so I figured why not. It's a pretty cool fan. I always wanted a Ventura, but I'm probably not going to keep this light kit on it. I think this light kit would look better on a larger body fan, like a Panama or a Delta, but that's just me. And also the blades are very yellowed. I think this fan was previously installed in a sunroom actually. So I'm probably going to take those blades off and actually put on these short blades, and I'll do something with it. But that's just a thought. So this fan is from March 5th, 1996, and it was the 231st fan made that day. Still, it's cool to have it. I'm not a big white and brass fan, but it's still, it's fine. But it came with its original W32 control. So yeah, so I'll give it a test. Here's the light. It has two halogen bulbs in it, which I think one of them actually is burnt out. Dim it. Let's see it a little better. I know there was a promotional video. I'm not really sure who posted it, I forgot. But and it had this light kit paired up with a California Zephyr, and it actually looked pretty good. But I'm not a big fan of it on the smaller body fan, like the Ventura. But anyways, there's the light. Here's speed 1. Other than the yellowing and the light kit, which is kind of rusty, I'm not really sure if you could see that. Maybe I'll show it at the end of the video. But other than that, the fan's in actually pretty good mechanical condition. The flywheel's fine. The board seems fine. So I'm not complaining. I do think these look better when they're 42-inch, but it's still cool to have a gallery edition one like this. Speed 2. Speed 3. It's 4. Does get moving. It's 5. It does shake around a little bit, but it's no big deal. Something that might actually contribute to the shaking is the mounting bracket up there that I'm using. The tab actually broke off, so it's not a big deal, but it does contribute to the wobbling of this fan. This fan also came with its original canopy too, and everything with it. So, and here's speed 6. It is an interesting light kit though, it's pretty cool. And you can see it's kind of rusty. But it's no big deal. I'm not sure if you can see the date or anything there. But yeah. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.